One leaf, two leaves, count with me, by John Miklos Jr. and Clive McFarland. One leaf, two leaves on the tree. Three leaves, four leaves, count with me. Five leaves, six leaves way up high. Seven leaves, eight leaves touch the sky. 9 leaves, 10 leaves, green and young. Here come more leaves, spring has sprung. Leaves dance gaily, swing and sway. Breezy blue sky, summer day. Air goes chilly, whistling winds. Leaves change color, fall begins. 10 leaves, 9 leaves on the tree. 8 leaves, 7 leaves, count with me. 6 leaves, 5 leaves, yellow-brown, 4 leaves, 3 leaves, drifting down. 2 leaves, 1 leaf, orange-red. Soon some leaves become a bed. Rake leaves, take leaves, pile them high. Dash in, crash in, watch them fly. Wet, wild weather on the way. Frosty, freezing winter day. Leaves lie crumpled on the ground. Light white snowflakes swirl around. New buds stir high on the tree, growing bigger, watch and see. Soon green leaves from 1 to 10 will sprout and grow. Spring comes again.